everybody, welcome back to one of my videos. I'm back and I'm with Star and Angel. And so we're gonna be giving a tour, and I'm just gonna say I'm doing it. Yep, here's Angel. I'm gonna have to use enter chat all the time because the screen's too small. Okay, right, so here we go on our little. Here's our little waiting area. This is Coastal Dance Academy. Here's the little windows. That's like my computer, because I've got this and stuff. So if we come over here, we're going to be coming. Why are you just doing that? Come on. If we come over here, we're going to be. Here's a little window, but it's actually. Today my BFF is making it very scary. Hope you can all subscribe to our channel. Yeah, make sure to hit the bell, subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications for every time I upload a new video. I've got a new screencast and stuff. So here's the floating light. And here is where like you just do body stuff. In here is the dressing room. Yeah. We have some nature around, and yeah. So I'm just gonna bring in one of those. Here are some dance costumes. Da-da-da. There, this is a teacher dance costume, but it doesn't look. Okay, these dance costumes don't look very nice. Ew. The hair. Hey. Oh, I got this leotard. Okay, so we've got our hairs here. Remove that, and we get this pink. I want the pink hair. I want the pink hair. Yee, I need a refresh. Okay, so. Oh, B. Okay, I get it. Right, we're going to the vending machine. The best part about it. Ooh, Lipton iced tea, Dr. Pepper. Ooh, I want some Red Bull. Eek, you got my Red Bull? Move it. Red Bull. Oh, why have I got 7-Up? I want Red Bull. Beer. Okay. We're moving on. Come on, girls. We're moving on. No more. Oh my God. We're moving on. Here are some dance rooms. If you guys wanted to see it. The mats are floating, but that's okay. Nobody will realize a thing. Unless they are listening. These are dance rooms, so nobody can break things while Maybe there are trophies. So what? I'll end. Ooh, guys. Maybe we could play Pinkie Pie's Hangout. We could play Pinkie Pie. We're back! We're back. Join me. I'm still back. Let's go. So guys, we're gonna go on Pinkie Pie's Hangout. Boo, boo, boo. Okay, so we're going on Pinkie Pie's Hangout. Here's the screen. What is going on over there? Okay, what is this? Let's go some more. Cause that is just the worst game in the world. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, right. Hello. Broken cat. I'll come back to you guys when I find a game. I'm back and yeah. I'm back. I'm back. Oh. Woohoo. Yeah. I'm with Johnny. Johnny is Papa. Okay. You can do what you want. I don't care because I just want to get out. Don't use bus. We're wasting our money. We only have $55. Sydney. Oh, we were lucky. Sydney Olympic Stadium. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's just wasting all our money. He's a stupid person. Okay.